Hi everyone. Now we're going to start working in Photoshop, but as you can see, I'm in Lightroom Classic still. I am going to work with this image first. So what I can do is just right click on this image and go to edit in Adobe Photoshop, or I can just press Command E and it will export, okay? So if you can, at the top of the screen, there's an arrow that presses down. Click on photography. Now that I've got my image, this is my first layer. And I'm going to talk about Photoshop being like a pizza. We need to do everything in layers. So this is like your base, is your image. What I'm going to do is click on a plus, and that's going to add a new layer. As you can see, it doesn't change the image. But what I'm going to do first, the first step with your editing is removing anything that you don't want to have anymore. And this line here really bugs me. So I'm going to remove it and use a spot healing tool. Okay, so this is on very small at the moment. So you can use your brackets button, the right brackets button, that square bracket to make it bigger, or the left one to make it smaller. I'm just going to make this really small, and I'm just going to just drag it down a little bit, and that gets rid of it. Now you might have a whole area that you want to get rid of. So say for example, I want to get rid of that. I can just go like this. But sometimes what it does is it makes it a little bit blurry. So I'm just going to press Command Z or undo. And I can click on this button, and it's a healing brush tool. So it will select a certain area that's already in your picture. And so say for example, I pick this spot here. I'm going to press Option and click there. So it's going to use that spot, and then I'm going to color it in over there. See how there's that X? That's the part that it's replicating there. But I'm going to press Command X because I don't mind my pear having that scratch there. And then I'm going to also, I'm actually going to go back to the spot healing. I'm going to clean up down here because some things can just be a little bit distracting in your image. Just trying to find any other spots I don't like. And that's my first layer where I'm cleaning up my pear.